Okay, so here we are on the Monster Energy factory Kx450f. This is the fourth bike, I'm pretty sure. I lose count after recording all these videos. But after riding the YZ, I still think the YZ so far is the best as far as power and handling and just how it feels. This KX, as you can see in the corners, just kind of really doesn't corner as well. I mean, it's really good on power, just as much as the YZ, I feel like. The YZ 450, that is. But with handling as far as cornering goes, I don't think it's as good as the YZ. But everywhere else, it seems just as good. Besides the cornering, it's mainly just cornering, not even handling, just cornering, because I can see that on the YZ I can get fourth gear pinned and fifth gear pinned, but in this, as you can see, I'm just banging the rev limiter on third gear, sometimes fourth like right here, but I gotta go back to third. You'll see in this video, if you watch the whole video, I go off the track a couple times because of the just because of cornering isn't as good on this bike. But let me stop talking, let you listen to this, and tell me what you think of it. So yeah, here we go.